you guys, it's just Nene here back with another video, and today I will be doing a glitter crease tutorial with 25mm lashes. And if you like this look so far, go ahead and like and stick around. First thing I'm going to use is my P. Louise base in 0, and I'm just going to tap that base in on my eyelid. Now I'm going in my, I think this is the Dreams Charles palette. I always get it mixed up, or the 39A palette, and I just went in with those two shades in the center, that warm brown, and I'm gonna go in with the lighter tan shade next to it on top as my transitioning color. And I'm just using this white fluffy brush to do so. Now I'm just taking this small angled brush, and I went in with some yellow eyeshadow, and I kind of just blended that with the transitioning color. Now I'm going in with Ingot gel liner in 94, and I'm just using this to cut out my crease. Make sure you're very quick with this. Like I said in my other videos, you have to be quick because this liner does dry quick. So I was having a hard time with it, and I ended up having to do it. Why am I stuttering so much? I ended up having to do it off camera, so this is how it looks. And also I didn't know exactly what look I was going for, so if you're gonna do like a half cut crease, you might not want to drag it down towards the end of your, like, the eye or whatever. So I'm just basically trying to add more shade to it so that I can get that half cut crease look. But if you're gonna do a cut crease, you don't have to bring it down so much like I did. Now I'm going in with Glow Up Academy glitter, and this is Fairy Tale. And I also go in with Champagne Room and Fabulous. That's Fabulous. So I'm going in with Fabulous right now. And then I go in with Champagne Room, and then last I go in with jlaurecosmetics white gold pigment, and I just put that all over the lid. It's so cute. Now I'm going in with my Ultra Repair Cream, and I'm just moisturizing my skin. I also went off camera and applied the lashes, and I also did my liner off camera, because at first I was going to do a blue liner, but I did not like the color of the liner. I don't know. If you guys know any good colored liners that I can use, please drop them down below, because I don't like the one that I bought. And the one that I bought is NYX. I don't know. I like some of the ones that they have, but the one that I got, I did not like it. So now I'm going in with MAC Studio Sculpt Foundation in NC50 towards the bottom, like where my jaw is. And I went in with NARS Longwear Radiant Foundation in Macau. And now that I have that all blended out, I'm going in with Fawn from L.A Girl Pro Concealers. And I'm just putting that under my eyes, my chin, above my lip, my nose. Now I'm going in with Tan Deep Sand from Tarte. And I'm also going in with Black Opal in Ebony to contour. And we just gonna let we're gonna let everything sit, you know what I'm saying? The concealer gotta sit for a little while just to give you that nice coverage. So this is how it's looking. Bow. I'm looking like a star. Yes. So now that we have that all set, we're gonna go in with my Insta Pop cheek brush from Real Technique, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use that to blend out my contour. Remember, always, like, whenever you're applying concealer, kind of let your concealer sit there, like, to set for a while, and then you go in and blend out your concealer. Right now I decided to just spray my face a bit, and then I went in to blend it out, and I just love how it looks after it just like sit in your skin. Like, it just looks so good. So now I'm using this Real Technique brush. This is like a highlight brush, but I use it for everything. So yeah, I'm just using this to blend out the edges of where I applied the concealer. Now I'm going in with the foundation brush, and I'm just going in and bringing back the color so that the concealer doesn't overpower everything. So I'm just bringing back the colors into my skin. So I went ahead and set my face with Laura Mercier and Topaz mixed. Now I'm going in with CoverGirl's bronzer and Black Radiance contour palette. And now I'm using the same setting powder, Laura Mercier, to carve out my contour. Now I'm going in with this MAC face powder, and I'm just setting my concealer, my highlight. And I'm going in with Morphe's Mist one more time. Well, actually I lied. And now I'm going in with the foundation brush once again, and I'm just setting that all over my skin. Going in with Hustler Baby from Fenty. So cute. Guys, the glitter on the bottom is also from Glow Up Academy. I'm not sure what it's called, but you need to check her out. Also, you guys, I tried the Sephora precision liner, and I love it. Like, I'm literally gonna do a tutorial on that, because that liner, baby, it's amazing.
Hey you guys, thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below what kind of videos you would like me to post. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.